everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Petra, and today I am going to be doing this look that was created by the beautiful Pat McGrath, and this is her brand new latest palette, Mothership 5. It is the Bronze Seduction palette, and I mean, look at that artwork. I think the artwork is just like, I can't throw away these boxes. Like, they're so nice. Mine actually got a little bit beat up when it got shipped here, and the fact that I work at the post office, I kind of know how, like, I know what things go through at the post office. It's pretty brutal. So make sure you pack up your stuff very well when you are packing something, especially something nice. Definitely put Fragile on it, because that helps a little bit. Here it is. Once again, same container like the others, and then inside there are the beautiful shades, and some of them, you know, they don't look so exciting at first, but when you use them, like, I mean, look, I just feel like this look, once again, I started creating it, I'm like, is this look gonna turn out? Like, does it look very good? And I actually am really pleased with the way it looks. All right, you guys, so with that, I'm going to quit blabbing now and go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so after a little bit of debate, I think I'm gonna actually go in with Skinshow Divine Glow right there, right into the center of my eye, which it's not really the shade that, you know, most people are being drawn to, you know, use. It's more of like, people keep saying it's like a brow shade, but I'm gonna try and use it in the middle here for my pop of my little halo kind of look going on. Yeah, I like that so much brighter. Okay, and then going back in with my 217 and just kind of blending those deeper shades together with the Skinshow shade to make it look a little less, you know, like not blended. Right, and I still really want to use the Blitz Flame, which is this red shade here. So I think I'm going to actually go underneath my eye with that. So I'm going to go in with this MAC 233 brush and go into Blitz Flame. And I'm going to take that actually underneath my eye. So I think I'm going to go back in with Entrapment and warm this up a little bit up here, because I want it to be a little bit higher, a little bit more blown out. I always kind of go in lightly because I don't want to go too crazy, and then I'm like, oh, that could have actually been a little bit more dramatic. I'm gonna go in with that shade called Rose Gold 005 right here, which is just that very pretty. Her glitters are like crazy. I don't know what she does, but they have kind of a real scratchy feel when you touch them, and they feel really cool, but then when you put them on, and you have to be careful because they are glittery and they fall out. So if you don't like glitter, I mean, quite a few of these shades, like about, I would say 5 of them have some pretty hefty glitter in them. They're very cool looking, but if you don't like glitter, then you may not like this. So just saying. I'm gonna tap this on this. And then I thought about going in with a black liner in my waterline, but I'm actually gonna go in with this Linda Hallberg Flash Crayon in Aueva, and it's kind of this brown, it's just like a copper brown shade that looks like that. And I love her crayons because they're very smooth. I use them quite a bit in my videos. And I just didn't want something quite as harsh as like a black for this look. I feel like I'm feeling more like brown vibes. So I'm gonna go in with that. That looks so attractive, I know. I'm gonna try a little bit of the Skinshow Divine Glow in there. I think that might brighten up a little more. All right, so I'm going to keep the lashes a little more simple this time because this look isn't like crazy look. It's like, you know, there's a little pop of color, but it's more of a natural glam look, I would say. And I'm gonna go in with these Kiss lashes right here. They're just kind of a soft little fluttery, I don't know, lash. And I think that they'll just kind of add a little bit, but not too much. So glitter off the face and lashes, and then I will be back after that. All right, you guys, so I am back, and here I am with the lashes on. So I just went in with those and then touched up my eye just a little bit. I added a little bit more darkness of that Aubergine shade, that deep rich purple shade here and in the inner corner. And then now I'm just gonna go in with a MAC lip pencil in Chestnut, and I'm going to use that for my lip color. I don't know if I'm gonna use a lipstick. I might just use the lip, because I can't really find a lip shade that I want, so I thought a rich brown would be nice. So that's what I'm gonna go in with right now. Use a little bit of lip balm on my finger too. Since the lip pencil is a little drier, I need to add moisture back to my lips. I like that. That is very fun with my eye look. I like that. It's kind of very, I'm feeling very fall with this look right now. So, you know, getting more into those like fall and warm colors, and this is a great palette to do that with. So now I just need to finish up with blush and highlight and call it a day, because I think it's like midnight right now. So gotta get this done, gotta get this done. So for blush, I'm just gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs Air Blush in Flesh and Fantasy. And it's just kind of a nice neutral pink shade. I like that because it's not too pink and it's not too orange. It's just kind of a good all-around natural blush shade. And then I'm going to go in with highlights. My Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder in Crown of my Canopy. It looks like that. This is just my Morphe 501. This will just kind of add to that nice bronzy kind of effect I have going on already. All right, you guys, so this is it. This is the finished look. So I hope you enjoyed the Pat McGrath Mothership 5 palette, the Bronze Seduction palette, which is so stunning, just like the rest of her palettes anyway. So you guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!